Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on your iOS 15. In order to change the language, you need to go to the settings, then go to time and language and region, and now if you have only one option for Windows display language, then you need to add a language. So I'm just gonna find maybe something that's still English, so later on you'll also be able to follow the further settings which are also important. So is there like United Kingdom version? It's not available, so I'll just get the Australia version. Next, now select set as my Windows display language and click on install. And now we'll need to wait until it downloads the language pack. After that, we'll need to sign out, re-sign in, and copy a few settings so we can have the language everywhere across our device. Of course, it is up to you, because if you change it only here and then sign out and re-sign in, then it'll only change the language for your account. And if you want to change the language for new accounts that will be created in the future and for the login screen on your laptop, then you'll need to adjust a few more things, but we'll get to that in a moment. So now it has installed the basic language pack, so I can sign out. Now I need to re-log in. And then go to settings again, time and language and region, and then go to administrative language settings, and first go to copy settings. And if you want to set the language that you've changed to the welcome screen and screen accounts, then make sure to select that. And if you want to set it for new user accounts, then you can also select it. Then click on OK. Then it'll prompt you something about restarting, so I'm gonna click on later because I'm also gonna change the system locale to the English Australia. OK. Now I'm gonna click on later also, because before that I need to make sure that it's set okay, it's set correctly to English Australia. And now I can restart my device. And now you can see that it should be done, most probably. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.